James from Pearland has a question about underlayment uncertainty.
Yeah, he's pricing a new roof. He loves his Timberline shingles, but he's getting a new one, and he's learned something new from the roofer. Tom has a little concern. James writes, I learned that my 30-pound felt is no longer used. My existing Timberline on 30-pound felt lasted 28 years, as you can see. Well,
yes,
pretty much lasted.
It shouldn't have been that long, but okay.
Right,
yes,
so he says it's not pretty, but still it held out to the storms, and even with the wind damage, it has not yet leaked. I don't object to new ideas, he says, but what is best and what is up with this new underlayment?
First off, this is a perfect example of don't tell your roofer what to do to your roof. Have your roofer tell you what is best for them, because they're the ones that have to warranty it. If you start telling them, I want a 30-pound felt, that's all there is, and it starts to leak, they'll say, hey, you wanted the 30-pound felt. We didn't have anything to do with it. We wanted you to do something else. That goes with car mechanics and everything. That's just what you got to be careful about. The bottom line is they don't make 30-pound felt anymore. 30-pound felt is actually number 15, not pound. It's number 15, and it's 15 pounds approximately per square. And the 15-pound felt in the old days is now a number 7. So you can see they thinned it out really quite a bit. Roofers don't use it. The new underlayments are so much better. They're rubberized. They have fiberglass in them. They could actually be a roof. The only problem you have with underlayments, if you tried to make a roof out of it, it would fail because it's not meant to handle the UVs from the sun. So the shingle actually covers it because that handles all that UV beating and all the weathering and stuff. So the new underlayments are just better to go. So Ideal Roofing, a good certified Home Show Pro of ours. They're a GAF Master Elite roofing contractor. They have to use the underlayments GAF recommends, which is not a 30-pound felt, to get the good warranties, and there's a reason behind it. So hopefully your roofer is with Owens Corning or GAF, wherever they may be, and they will follow the directive of that group of people that they are working with, the manufacturers.
Or maybe you can get Ideal over and give you another quote, get another look at that roof.
I always get Ideal, absolutely.
Absolutely. All right. You got a question? We'll give you an Ideal answer. Well, not about Ideal Roofing, but something that'll help you. Anywhere between your house, your roof, and your foundation, we're here to help you. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in, and we'll answer it just like this in a video we post to our homepage on our website, Facebook page, or even our YouTube channel.